Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to place limit order in Octafx on MetaTrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and you will be redirected to the settings section where you can see new account option at top. So once you tap on it, you can see two options. First one is open a demo account and another is log into an existing account. Simply select second one, which is log into an existing account, and you need to search for the Octafx over here. Now once you search it, you'll be able to see lots of Octafx option. You simply need to search for, tap on the third option, which is Octafx Real. Now it will ask you for your credentials. Once you complete your credentials, simply click on sign in, which is at top right corner, and you'll be able to connect your Octafx Real in your MetaTrader 4 successfully. Now once you complete your credentials and once you connected Octafx, you'll be able to see the codes option after that. Now you need to go to the trade option, you need to go to the chart option. Now you need to click on the chart and you can see the trade option at top. So once you tap over there, you can see instant execution at top. So simply select that one and you can see buy limit, sell limit. You can choose any of them and finally click on place, and you'll be able to place limit order in Octafx on MetaTrader 4 successfully. So basically this is how you can place limit order in MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.